How to record video with filters on Android.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
First of all, open camera on your Android phone and go to the video section. Here at the top you'll find the filter icon. Tap on it. Here you'll have multiple filters. You can choose any one of them. And you just have to tap on this red circle icon to quit the video. So in this way you can use the filter to shoot for videos on Android phone. You can also use beautify filters option and select the filter and record video as per your wish.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.